show where you learn lots of educational facts. Today's topic is animals. Here are our hosts, David and Billy.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Billy.
And I'm David.
And
today we will be discussing reptiles.
Hello. What is a reptile? A reptile is an animal in the classification Reptilia. What are some examples of reptiles?
Snakes, lizards, geckos, tortoise, and most of all, Godzilla!
Yeah, okay. Why don't you tell us about some of the characteristics of reptiles?
Some characteristics of reptiles are they have scales, most of them reproduce by laying eggs, and they're cold-blooded.
Wait a minute. What does cold-blooded mean? Well, cold-blooded means their body temperature is warmer than its surroundings, and they rely on heat from the earth, the sun, or from warm rocks and logs. Since we are talking about reptiles today on our show, we were fortunate enough to bring these geckos. Geckos are very common here. They're small and harmless little lizards, yet they are found mainly in tropical islands, although these ones are in Africa. This was a fat-tailed lizard. As you can see, it has a right for its name. Reptiles all have lungs. You can see that from the side right there that it's breathing right now. Now, if you look closely at the skin, you can see that like all reptiles, it has dry skin and it has scales right there. These scales keep the moisture in and they keep the moisture. The scales do not grow as the gecko does, so that's why it sheds its skin, like this one is right now, shedding its skin. You can see that the gecko has skeletal features like limbs, you can see it, and legs. Right here. Reptiles usually have 5 clawed fingers or toes, like this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, this is a leopard gecko from Africa. As you can see, we have it in this cage. It has a lamp above because it is cold-blooded and it relies on outside sources for its heat. Reptiles have a partition along the roof of their mouths, which separates food and air passages so that breathing can continue while food is being chewed.
Okay, right now we are dropping the crickets into the cage, and so we could watch the geckos eat.
This is going to be the greatest feast ever. It's pretty punchy.
Yes, got it.
Oh, that was tight.
That was one.
Leopard's going for it.
Oh, there.
Catches his prey.
Nice and juicy.
He'll be full after his feast.
This guy's hungry. Eating a lot.
Welcome back to the second half of the show. Here are your hosts, David and Billy.
Our topic is birds, and we hope that you learn a lot of neat things about birds.
Birds are a lot like reptiles. They have vertebrates, but instead of having scales, they are covered with feathers.
Are all birds born with feathers?
No, all birds aren't born with feathers. Some birds are born bald and pink.
Now, David, not only are they born bald and pink, they are also born blind and helpless.
We have some rare footage of newborn birds. Roll it.
Were these baby birds born alive like humans, or were they hatched out of eggs like the reptiles?
These baby birds were hatched from eggs like reptiles.
As a matter of fact, all birds hatch from eggs.
How do they break out of their shells? Do they have any teeth?
No, Jonathan, they don't have teeth. They have very sharp beaks to peck their way out of the shell.
The reason they don't have teeth is because they were designed to be light so they could fly.
Are birds cold-blooded like reptiles?
No, they aren't cold-blooded like reptiles. They are warm-blooded, just like us.
Warm-blooded means their body temperature stays constant.
Why do birds make so much noise?
How dare you call that noise? It's called singing, and it's for a good reason.
Birds sing to either attract a mate or maintain their territory.
All the day long, hopping and a bopping and a singing his song. All the little birds on Jaybird Street love to hear the robin go tweet, tweet, tweet. Rockin' Robin, tweet, tweet, rockin' Robin, tweet, tweet. Blow rockin' Robin, 'cause we really gonna rock tonight. Every little swallow, every chickadee, every little bird in the tall oak tree. The wise or loud, the big black crow, flap of their wings, sing and go, bird, go, rockin' Robin, tweet, tweet, rockin' Robin, tweet, tweet. Go, rockin' Robin, 'cause we're really gonna rock tonight. Blow, tweet, 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 tweet. birdman stand. Taught him how to do the bump and it was grand. They started going steady and bless my soul. He out-bopped the buzzard and the Oreo. He rocks in the treetop all the day long, hopping and a-bopping and a-singing his song. All the little birds on Jaybird Street love to hear the robin go tweet, tweet, tweet. Rockin' Robin, tweet, tweet, rockin' Robin, tweet, tweet. Slow rockin' Robin, 'cause we're really gonna rock tonight. Well, the pretty little raven at the birdman stand taught him how to do the pop and it was grand. They started going steady and bless my soul. He out-bopped the buzzard and the Oreo. He rocks in the treetop all the day long, hopping and a-bopping and a-singing his song. All the little birds on Jaybird Street love to hear the robin go tweet, tweet, tweet. Rockin' Robin, tweet, tweet, rockin' Robin, tweet, tweet. Slow rockin' Robin, 'cause we're really gonna rock tonight.
Why do birds fly such long distances, and where do they go during the winter?
That is called migrating. They migrate down south.
The reason birds migrate is to stay warm during the winter so they don't get cold.
Okay, can we ask some harder questions? I mean, these are kind of easy.
Yeah. Fire some hard ones at us. This is too easy.
Okay then, if that's what you want, what is the philosophy of an African swallow, eh?
Okay, that's enough with the questions.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching our presentation on birds and reptiles.
This is David,
Billy,
And Jonathan, signing off.